Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can write essays using ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool with a chat option, so it can write for you basically anything. So how you can do this? Actually, you can open Google, okay, and from Google you're going to write ChatGPT and you're going to sign in. Once you sign in onto ChatGPT, you're going to basically let's say I want to write an essay on games. Okay, so basically I would go onto the message and just tell him, write me an essay about games. Now you could actually be more specific, like let's say write me an ABC 500 words. Okay, 500 simple words essay. Okay, and it's going to write for me the essay, okay? And basically anything that you can ask ChatGPT to write, it is going to write for you because it's just based on chatting, okay? Any questions, any essays, basically how you can basically this is how you can write an essay using ChatGPT. And once ChatGPT ends, okay, you're going to find this copy icon. If you click on it, as you can see, copy it to clipboard. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.